बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट में, स्टेटस एंड रोल, स्टेटस एंड रोल, स्टेटस एंड रोल. Yes. What's your name? Huh? Sajjad. Alam? Huh? Huh? Hussain. Yes. So Hussain is a status. Yes, na? Ascriptive status. Yes or no? Alam is also ascriptive status. Yes, na? Right? Pathan, ascriptive status. Yes, na? Right? Look, members of society, जैसे मैंने इनसे पूछा और इन्होंने कहा हुसैन, तो that is one position. You are graduated in Bachelor of Science. मतलब other status, other position of this person is in society is कि he is BSc. Yes or no? Right. Every member of society, you know, right, has certain status, isn't it? Certain position. Like one common status is ascriptive status, the status which is ascribed to individual after birth by the parents, isn't it? Family, isn't it? Caste, yes na? Religion, yes na? Such a status is ascribed at the time of birth. Caste is very popular ascriptive status, yes or no? Caste is very popular ascriptive status. Getting your point, right? And caste, like, you know, status, ascriptive status, you can see in other societies also. ऐसा केवल ये नहीं है कि केवल इंडिया में ही ऐसा ascriptive status is there. नहीं, in other societies also, right? Right. And individuals in course of time, learning, education, achieve certain status, status of engineer, status of doctor, status of bureaucrat. आप engineer हैं, you are striving to achieve a status of bureaucrat, civil servant. Yes na? So status simply refers to individual's position in society. Certain positions are ascribed at the time of birth, for example caste status, and certain positions, certain, you know, attained by, achieved by individuals through his effort, called achieved status. So status is classified into ascribed status as well as achieved status. Clear है? Yes ना? अब क्या होता है? Role. Role is a related concept to status. Role is a concept related to status, right? You can say, you know, simply कि dynamic aspect of status is referred as role. Dynamic aspect of status is referred as role. In a particular status, your actions referred as role. You are engineer, suppose, so you will do engineering ka work. Yes na? So that is your role, isn't it? You will become bureaucrat, you will attain, you know, status of bureaucrat, isn't it? Bureaucratic class, white collar class. So in that position of IAS or IPS, you will act, yes or no? You will be responsible for certain duties, yes or no? Yes na? It's not only about achievement, right? Rather, action as per your position after achievement. Yes or no? उसी से आपकी आइडेंटिटी होगी ना कि आईपीएस, कि केवल एग्जाम पास कर लेने से आईपीएस नहीं. एक्शन, योर एक्शन, इज इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, है ना? एंड दैट इज रेफर्ड एज रोल, राइट? गेटिंग योर पॉइंट? मतलब ऑल सेट ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज related to particular status is defined as role. Set of responsibilities related to particular status is defined as role. Yes na? As a member of caste also you perform certain roles, isn't it? As in achieved position also you perform certain roles. Yes na? आप caste member हैं, you as per caste का guidelines, you know, you perform role, isn't it? Favoring to caste men, favoring to कास्ट में. ट्रेडिशनल सोसाइटीज में, ट्रेडिशनल सोसाइटीज में कास्ट पंचायत था कि नहीं था? कास्ट पंचायत आज भी है, खाप पंचायत, कास्ट पंचायत, इज इट? सो बेसिकली कास्ट पंचायत, यू नो, यूज्ड टू डिफाइन द रोल परफॉर्म बाय इट्स मेंबर्स. यस ना? कास्ट पंचायत लोगों का रोल डिफाइन करता था कि आपको ये काम करना है. बार्बर्स कास्ट से हैं तो आपको ये काम करना है, कारपेंटर कास्ट से हैं तो कारपेंट्री, इज इट? ब्लैक स्मिथ कास्ट से है, गोल्ड स्मिथ कास्ट से है, तो रूल वॉज डिफाइंड बाई कास्ट, इज इट? मॉडर्न सोसाइटी में वी ऑफन सी कि इट इज नॉट ascribed status, rather achieved status which has gained popularity. Yes na, individuals acting as per their achieved position, engineer, bureaucrat, is it, irrespective of their caste, is it? तो ये जो achieved status and role है, right, this is related to modernity, and ascribed status and role है, that is related to tradition. Getting your point?